So our curtains definitely are not factory anymore. And this is the 2017 Jayco 26-foot bunkhouse. And they came with the standard type curtains, which basically had something up here, and then below it had something coming down here, and it was screwed in with blinds. So it really just wasn't us. We didn't like what was coming down off the sides for every single window. And instead, we removed that and we added standard curtain rods that you can get anywhere and screwed it in ourselves into what was existing. There, it was over a little bit. What was existing there. You will see that there are still some holes that we've not patched. We could patch them, we just have not. Right now we are parked in our driveway when I'm taping this video. So you did see part of our sunroom there. And this is in every one of the blinds. We have taken out the factory standard, and instead I was able to find these blinds. I'll take you back to the bedroom and show you there. This is over the entire camper. We've taken out what was there, and I did want something taller here to give the illusion of the camper being bigger at night, that the windows being bigger. So we did add those up higher, and that's been a positive for us. You may not like that look, but when it's opened, we don't find that it looks horrible. When it's closed, we know that the window is small, but it makes us think that it's actually a full-size window like we have in our home.